making a noise, especially on a low speed. Alright guys, we got a GMC Torrent in the garage right here. I'm gonna quickly show you guys what the heck is this noise. It's so annoying. The more speed I get on the motor, the noisy of that blower motor is going. So I'm just gonna quickly open it up and then find out what's happening here. Alright guys, so take out this cover right here. There's a 2 self-tapping screw. You just only need to use is a 7mm socket, and this screw right here, it's loose already. I loosened them up quick, put that on the side, and then there's one on the other side right here. Don't forget that one. There's 3 total. There you go. It's just a little tiny one. 7mm socket on that one. Pull that off. Alright, so that's the blower that's making a noise. There we go. Give a little bit of a tap. It might fix the problem. Nope, still the same. Alright, we're gonna take that blower out and then let's find out why it's making a noise. Alright guys, so there's 3 screws that holds this blower motor up to the housing. Quarter socket is the size. It's a really tiny small little socket. Or you can use a Phillips screwdriver on this one. I took out 2 already. 1 left for right here. And make sure to get the plug-in connector to the blower motor and plug. There's 1 more right here. There we go. And then the motor is out, slowly coming out. There we go. So this has been changed already. This is the second one that we put in here. The first one was the original one, of course, and I believe it's like what, it's about almost 2 years I think this thing lasts. It made the noise with that cold snap we have last week with this, with the windshield is about minus 45, 50. So it was really cold while this thing was running. All right, let's plug this in and find out. Let's see if it's making a noise again. Yeah, it's making a noise. Especially on a low speed. Yeah. Alright, it's done. Some people will just keep riding and keep using this, but for me it's so annoying. Let's get a new one. Alright guys, so I picked up a new one. Coolant Depot is the brand. It's a little slight different, but they said this is the right one for the GMC Terrain, as long as the mounting hole is the same. So let's go like that. Okay, mounting hole on the bottom is the same. There's one on the 3 o'clock or 2, and then there's about 10 o'clock right there. And yeah, this is like coming out right here. It's instead of close to the body of the motor, but it will plug in right. I tried it out, it plugs in. They have this little different compared to this one, because this is like a universal, might fit with like 4 or 5 different application of vehicle, so that's why they turn it like this. So let's install this in here and then let's try it out. Alright guys, I got the blower motor lined up in a hole right there. I got all the 3 screws. We're just gonna snug them up. Alright, don't go crazy with that bolt because it's a self-tapping screw into the plastic. And this is the last one. There you go. Okay, so here's the connector right here. A lot different, but it will connect together. It will clip like that. And here's a little hook right here. Just push it onto the blower motor housing and then tuck this one in. Alright, there you go. Alright guys, let's put the key in here. Let's give this thing a try. That's a lot better. Way better. We got more air coming out in the vent than before. Let's go to max. Yep, working good. Lots of air coming out. Perfect. That's it guys. That's how you change the blower motor on this GMC Terrain. Same thing as the Equinox, Saturn View, and Pontiac Torrent is all the same thing. This kind of setup underneath the dash behind the glove box. So yeah, she's working pretty good, blowing hard, nice and quiet. So that's it guys. Thumbs up, subscribe. See you guys again on the next one.